welcome to Cooking with Charles, where we cook with my dad. He not only teaches me, but also you how to make the most delicious recipes that I've grown up with, that he's grown up with, and he's mastered. I'm so excited. So hi, Dad.
Hi.
How are you?
Excellent today.
And what are we making?
Well, we're making Baba Ganoush.
Oh,
and that means spoiled daddy. Spoiled daddy.
Real funny story, real quick. When I growing up, I was so opposed to eating Baba Ganoush, and one day my siblings tricked me into thinking that hummus was Baba Ganoush, and I devoured the entire bowl. Only then later for them to be like, Vivi, you ate the entire Baba Ganoush bowl. And I'm like, what? No, I didn't.
Yeah.
So that just goes to show you, it is so delicious, and you're gonna enjoy this so much.
Yeah.
What are the ingredients?
Well, first you need the eggplants. I have 4 eggplants.
Okay.
That I sharp broiled under the broiler in the oven, in the regular oven. Sharp broiled on high for about 40 minutes, 45 minutes. So they don't explode in the oven. I poke them, just one side. I poke them one side with a fork.
Okay.
And then I put them in the tray, in the broiler, and I timed it for 40-45 minutes.
Well, that sounds delicious. So you have garlic, lemon juice, tahini, olive oil, and then garnishing.
Drizzle on top, olive oil. Yes.
Amazing. All right.
Exactly.
Let's start. First step after taking out the eggplants is?
I let them cool a little bit because they get very hot.
Okay.
And then once they cool, I get them on the board, and I got from the stem, slit open in the center, and I open my eggplant like that. With this spoon, you make sure to scoop all the pulp. Don't worry about the seeds. They don't bother. They don't hurt anything.
Like, how long do you wait for them to be cold?
Well, you can even roast them the night, broil them the night before, put them in the fridge, and when you're ready to put it together, you just open and scoop. You don't have to do it while they're hot or on the spot. I like to scoop the charred area, because that's what gives the burnt taste, like the barbecue taste.
I love that. The house smells so good right now. It's like, mmm.
3 or 4, depends on the size of the garlic cloves. I crush them with my Lebanese.
How long have you had this, Dad?
I think since I was born.
No, really?
I mean, at home, it's the most important tool for cooking is this.
Yes. And he passed it on to me, so I feel very special.
The garlic gets really like a paste, which is what you want. Now we can add the lemon juice.
How many lemons did you use?
I had like 4 lemons. No, 3 lemons, let's say, 3 lemons. 3 good lemons or 2 big lemons.
The preferred, if you want it more lemony, you add just more lemons.
Exactly.
We love lemony things.
Then we put the tahini, but remember with the tahini, shake, 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 shake.
I think that's our favorite part.
I put half a cup, and with
into the bowl or into the garlic?
Into the bowl directly. Scoop it with a clean thumb. We're gonna put lemon juice and garlic. You see, look, everything is gone.
Yes.
Empty.
Amazing.
And a pinch of salt, if you may, enough. Right? Normally you would use a wider fork, like a serving fork. So you can put in a blender. I like it this way because it's...
We like to make you work for your food.
Yeah, and
Kidding.
the blender is gonna mush it too much.
Yeah.
This way, look, already you can see.
Yeah, that was so fast. So you kind of want the texture to stay sort of the same, but just a bit more unified.
Exactly. And so I think we have it done. Here, you have to try it.
That's a big.
It's a big piece.
Yeah. Okay. Oh my God. That's so good. We're gonna plate it into a bowl.
I don't. Normally, if you put it in the fridge, it will harden a little bit more.
Okay.
But it's good enough like that. I have pickled turnip. pickled turnip.
It's like now you're in art class.
You want contrast of color. If you put something beige with the Baba Ganoush, nobody's gonna see it. So green, pink, always is welcome. A little bit of olive oil. Now,
Delish.
I think you can enjoy it and stew it like that.
Amazing. All right, well, let's break
Is
some
it?
pita.
Yeah.
All right, I'm gonna break you a piece.
Yeah.
You're gonna break me a piece. The best way to eat it, we always say, is make it a
Pocket.
little pocket.
Yeah. Ready? Go.
I'm gonna go. You go too. Cheers.
Cheers.
Oh. That is so good.
Simple, easy, delicious.
I think this might be the most delicious one we've ever made.
Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah,
Oh.
the eggplant, the quality of the eggplant was fantastic.
Well, Dad, that was such a delicious recipe and so easy.
Thank you very much for watching, and we hope to see you soon with a new recipe.
Yes, we'll see you next time.
Yes.
Bye, everyone.
Bye, everyone.
Ready? And action. 3, 2, 1.
5-6 days, stay fresh. Eggplant.
Oh, we need to garnish it.
Yeah. Sorry, we need to garnish.
Wait, no.
Stick around.
No, not stick around. Let
Well,
us know
for
how
next
you
one,
do.
well, next time, next week or something.
No, okay. This is delicious. I hope you guys enjoyed watching and creating it. Oh no.
Why, what happened? You lost your bread?